At Subway Station, excuse me, watching a new train being tested out on the Orange Line. Subway stations in Somerville, Massachusetts. This will be the future Orange Line right here, and on the far left on that track is a test track for these trains. See, we'll walk up to it for you. See, here she is right there. Very good looking, and I got the commuter rail coming too. Sorry guys, that was a commuter rail, and I'm also I'm a train buff here, there, and everywhere, so that was a commuter rail, by the way, Mbta. So, hold on for a sec. It's a smaller version, see if I can get bait close to this. I tried to. Yeah, this is going to be New Orange Line trains right here. They haven't fully, I mean, they're not in service officially, like I said, they're just being tested right now. I'm sorry for the quality, it's kind of cloudy here in Massachusetts today. The weather hasn't been all that great, but there she is. And they will keep testing these, I believe, throughout the summer, and they're being made in Springfield, Massachusetts is where they're being built. Alrighty, photos to come. Have a nice day. Whoop. Now it decides to move. Okay. Alright. Photos to come. Out.